Alright, let's chat about this relatively new earbuds from Kiwi ears, the Quartet. There are lots of budget IEMs out there, but it's not similarly common to find a good enough performing IEM on technical aspects such as resolution, detail retrieval, and instrument separation, as well as a nice tonal character with punchy bass and good musicality all above the frequency spectrum. If you are pursuing a good candidate on that area, you might wanna lean in and hear what I've got to say. First off, the bass on this is nuts. It's like having a tiny little club wave going on in your head. They've got these double dynamic drivers that pump out the bass deep and intense. It's like they're giving your ears a hug with every beat. But it's not just about being loud and intense, you know? It's clear enough. The transient response here isn't too fast. I feel like the dynamic drivers here are moving in and out, not at supersonic speeds or too tight, but it's good enough, especially for the money. I have no complaints for the money on technical aspects here. I'm generally so used to listen high-end equipments like the Sennheiser i900, the Focal Utopia, Audiophile LCD5 and etc. So my ears can fool me into not liking budget IEMs at first, but after I pass that initial step and get used to its sound, I can evaluate the performance by its price range. And here, for about $100, the resolution, detail retrieval, and especially the instrument separation, the air between instruments as well as the imaging is more than good enough. Some earphones that go big on bass end up making other sounds in the music kind of money, but not the Quartet here. The way they handle the mids is pretty neat. They let the bass be big without stepping on the toes of the singers or the guitars. It's all about that balance, and the Quartet nails it. The mids come through clear and true, like the artists are right there in the room with you, whether it's the smooth strum of a guitar or the clear notes of a singer. Everything sits just right. And the highs, crisp. You know how sometimes high notes can get all screechy and make you wince? None of that here. The IEM at my hands keeps it all smooth but sparkly, energetic at the same time, so you can actually enjoy the details in the music without that annoying ringing in your ears later on. It uses two balanced armatures each, one for the mid-high frequencies and one for the ultra-high spectrum. They made sure that the highest sounds, like a singer hitting the top note or a cymbal crash, are sharp and energetic but not piercing overall. There is no hiss, no ringing in your ears after you take them out, just clear, sparkling sounds all the way up. It's for the folks who really wants to get lost in their music, lose their self to dance. It's for those who really wants to thump and the sparkling soul of the song. So if you are into that full rich sound and looking for a budget IEM to fulfill that, probably Quartet is gonna be your next best friend. Kiwi Ears isn't just throwing out another pair of earphones with the Quartet. They are making a statement. This is for the bass heads, the feeling type, the beat lovers who want that thump in their chest without losing the soul of the song. It's for people who want their music to be big, bold and beautiful all at once. In a sea of earphones promising the earth and the stars, the Quartet stands out because it delivers where it counts. It's got the kind of bass that fills up your senses, mids that carry the melody home, and highs that make the music shine. Kiwi Ears has made something good here.